of the Honorable Supreme Court, comma, in the understanding of this court, comma, is not to permit any candidate, whether differently abled or not, to participate in the ongoing selection test. Stop. Next paragraph. The submission of the petitioners that the list of tainted candidates published by the Commission is an incomplete one appears to be of substance. Stop. The list of tainted candidates as placed before this court by the learned senior counsel representing the Commission discloses the roll number and the name of the candidate. Stop. The said list has been prepared in terms of the data of the 2016 recruitment process. Stop. The roll number of the 2016 recruitment process and the 2025 recruitment process are different. Stop. Only by publication of a name of a candidate, comma, his/her identity cannot be ascertained. Stop. There may be several candidates by the same name. Stop. The very idea of publishing the names of tainted candidates is to draw the attention of the public with regard to the identity of the candidates. The court directed the Commission to upload in the website of the upload in its website the OMR sheets of the candidates for public viewing. Stop. According to the petitioners, the OMR sheets have not been published till date. Stop. The list of candidates till date. Stop. For identifying a candidate, the name of the candidate along with his or her father's name and the subject in which the candidate appeared for the examination are required to be published. So that it becomes easy for the Commission to identify them for the purpose of weeding out any tainted candidate who may have slipped out and appeared in the selection test. Stop. The senior counsel of the Commission already submitted to the same before the Honorable Supreme Court, and the same does have a binding effect. Stop. The Commission accordingly ought to publish the proper list of tainted candidates with details for the purpose of identification. The aforesaid publication ought to be made only for maintaining fairness and transparency in the selection process. Stop. Next. As the commission would be bound to take steps in terms of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Accordingly, the Commission shall take necessary steps with regard to the tainted candidates who appeared in the selection test. So, next. There are other issues in the instant writ petition which are yet to be canvassed. So, the issue regarding allotting 10 marks on account of prior teaching experience is already an issue which is pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court. So, the court accordingly adjourns the matter for the time being. Stop. Released on
other matter
3rd of December.
Yes.
All matters on 28th
28th
will be heavy.
Yes, yes.
It will be too heavy. If any order is passed on,
and that will automatically
cover.
Yes.
The 28th will not maybe preponed for a day, let even 27th. To other matters.
27th.
I had also taken consent on Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
I am not aware, Mr. Where did Mr. Bandyopadhyay go?
I had personally interacted with him. He said he has no difficulty, which is pushed on 27th.
26th as a Supreme Court.
I need a confirmation from you. Otherwise, I won't.
My learned senior is saying that we'll take instruction.
No, I had an overhearing. I was sitting here. I heard.
Overheard.
Yes, as a neutral point of view, I heard that Mr. Bandyopadhyay saying in another matter that 27th I would be here. That I can say.
No, that he may be here. Whether the matters may be preponed or not, correct. I do not know. Without the committee, I will not.
Within 5 minutes, we'll take instructions.
Correct. One thing might be relevant, like for the Honorable Supreme Court, it would be on 26th. There is
24th and 26th, 2 dates have been shown.
Yes, so I take the last one. So if it is on 26th, now to get the server copy.
That is the reason I kept it on 28th. It was only for this purpose.
That's I think because 27 maybe
it's not uploaded. Yes.
Then Lordship has to believe what the council.
Yes. This exactly this went through my mind. That is the reason I kept on 28th.
28th may be deferred. I have some.
Why?
I have some personal problem on 28th.
So many matters deferring. Why don't you join online if in case you cannot come?
This matter is so serious, it requires physical appearance.
Requires physical appearance.
I have to explain many.
Yes, maybe.
27th.
Then.
But other councils are there.
Yes. Somebody is coming from the Supreme Court also.
I have no difficulties. That is no best I remember.
There are other councils also.
Anyway, we shall take it that on 20th I may pay adjournment for a day.
There is no difficulty if you pay adjournment.
The others will fight.
They will not fight.
No. If you don't,
if
28 not, then the December when I will do it. December not possible. December
let it remain on 28. Let us see. You try to adjourn the other personal thing if you can accommodate.
To be very frank, before.
No, don't be frank. It's better you see what is there.
They should also publish the interview list. Otherwise, we can compare.
Huh?
They will publish
the interview list.
Has it not been published?
Which case?
The latest interview list.
19, 11, 12. 11, 12. Interview list published. Verification is going on. 15 published.
দেখে নাও
ডিটেলস আর কি করে দেবো বলতে পারবো না স্যার।
ঠিক আছে, থাক না, আপাতত যা আছে তারপর কম্পেয়ার করো, তারপর দেখা যাবে।
কি বললো জোসেফ কি বললো?
আমাদেরকে নাম, বাবার নাম আর সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে সেন্টেন্সটা পাবলিশ করতে হবে 2006
হ্যাঁ, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তো আমাদের। উই হ্যাভ নো ডিফিকাল্টিস। কতদিনের মধ্যে বলেছি?
তারিখে রেখেছেন, কোনো টাইম নাই।
But this list has to be within how many days have been
At the earliest.
We'll do it. We have no difficulty.
No, I
No,
understand.
we have no difficulty. Can I suggest Miller one thing? Just subject to your logic. Let Mr. Firoz Sami goes to election state commission. He sits there. He analyzes everything. He does everything. Let him be satisfied.
It is not his satisfaction. He is here for a client.
No, that's for his client satisfaction.
26,000 candidates. You can understand the magnanimity of the issue.
Yes, already have been disclosed.
See,
But the point is, Millard, we have suffered. Yes, but no doubt. Therefore, we are taking all care. But every stage in this process, it is very difficult. Very difficult.
I'm for the meeting. চলো
ঠিক আছে।
ফার্স্ট ওভার হবে
আপনি এটা only নিন।
CPF to GPF area person. He's not himself, man.
Are the corrections properly made?
Yes, man.
Please check up, because now matters are coming up for correction because wrong formats have been given.
I have checked it off, my lord.
All right, same order.
But the daily list matters will not be called. Same CPF to GPF area person. Petitioner himself, man.
Yes, disposed.
Conversion from CPF to GPF for the widow pension who died prior to date of notification. In terms of the Honorable Division Bench, already settled the issue. I am serving husband of the petitioner. Following the division bench, 2 single benches pass. As I am handing over.
Which one is the division bench's order?
Yes, Pamela, I am giving those 2 judgments. And Shefali Jana. And this is that quoted. And Justice Basu also passed one order following.
You tell me one thing, the widow is coming.
Yes, widow is coming. The husband of the petitioner was the employee of the state.
Yes.
Now, he died prior to the date of notification in the year 2008 and at the age of 59. Therefore,
Yes.
he could not make any option to that effect. Now, after the notification, the wife does not have any authority to make such application. In that score, our division bench held family includes family pension. Pension includes family pension. Therefore, if the option was there, either CPF to GPF, in that case, the widow is entitled to get the family pension upon payment of contribution.
Yes, but this has also been held in Muktimoi Pal's.
Yes, Muktimoli Pal considered in Malat Pamela. I obliged your lordship. Elaborate judgment Malat
That
Shefali and Muktimoi.
fresh option is not required to be
Yes,
given.
obliged to your lordship. Muktimoi is Malat that page Malat kindly seek take the judgment of Pamela. Elaborately discussed by Justice Sen's division.
মুক্তিময়ী একটা
Paragraph 11.
রেফার করা আছে, সেইটা হবে, বুঝে গেছে?
Husband of the petitioner expired in the year 2008, I believe. And I am checking it up.
Widow
13.
দেখে নেবেন,
Expired on 22nd
সেইটা
of
দিয়ে
December
দেবেন।
2013.
এগুলো থাক, কিন্তু আমি জানি না। You take this back, Pamela. It's not required because I also have an order
Yes.
passed. এটা রেখে ফেলি, যেন ছেড়ে দিন, দরকার নেই। এফিডেভিট অফ সার্ভিসটা এটা রইল। হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস, নেক্সট।
Get much obliged.
492, Lordship, I am for the petitioner and Mr. Chandra.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner in this matter. Matter is relating to CPF GPF area. Lordship,
Matter relates to
relating to CPF GPF area pension. Petitioner deposit the area. Petitioner deposit the amount through treasury challan, but petitioner is praying before this court release the issue the PPO and release the area amount from the next date of retirement up to date of
you have several orders passed by this bench.
Lordship, correction order is not available in my hand.
Give me the dates when you returned.
Yes, I have returned, petitioner returned 31st May 2011.
All right. একটা এরিয়ার আছে, আমাদের করা আছে, এরিয়ার সিপিএফ টু জিপিএফ ডেটস গুলো এখানে আছে, দেখে নেবেন একটু। বৈশালী, গৌরব, ডিসপোজড। এটা এরিয়ার যেখানে লিখলেন from the next date of retirement. Grateful, my lord.
Grateful to you, Lordship.
943.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner in this matter. Matter is same. Widow is approaching before this court. Petitioner husband was getting pension and died. Thereafter, widow is claiming for
What?
issue the revised PPO.
Interest.
No. Area.
Area.
Issue the revised PPO and
All
release
right.
the
All right, disposed. Next.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner in this matter. Matter is relating to CPF GPF area. Petitioner father and mother both died. Petitioner as a son is approaching before this court release the area from the next date of retirement to the date of depositing the treasury channel.
Who was the teacher, father or the mother?
Petitioner father was a teacher.
All right.
Kindly see page 18. There is a nominee form, pension of nomination rules. Petitioner names Hemal Kumar Maji, Sean.
$958. $958.
Yes, disposed.
Grateful Lordship.
Service.
Service is taken on record.
Sir.
982. Yes.
Service. 958. 958.
My lord, a arrear pension arising from the conversion. My lord, a daughter has come. The mother is the, my lord, employee. The father had also died, my lord. And I am having a similar order passed by your lordship.
Please give.
I have corrected. Kindly. Petition.
The details are properly filled up.
Yes, my lord, I have.
All right.
Only,
This
my
order.
lord, I have given daughter. She is a divorced daughter. Not required.
Doesn't matter. Daughter will suffice. This order will go. And this order will go in the earlier matters also. পেছনে আমি লিখে রেখেছি হ্যাঁ একটু এজিএম কেও বলে দেবেন
Lord, I filed the affidavit of service. Okay.
The legal heirs are the petitioners. The transfer brief, I have submitted lordship no objection. 11 November.
let me see what about the wife?
I've also died lordship.
Wife died. All right, same order. Are you there?
Yes, my lord, I'm protesting.
Yes. $1,300.
টাইম কত বলছেন এটা কি জোরে বলুন শুনতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না যে টাইম ফর দ্য petition amendment CPF to GPF area pension lordship's order
Petitioner is the teacher.
teacher
All right, same order.
get one
I am for the petitioner.
Lordship, CPF to GPF area, petitioner himself come before your Lordship. Your Lordship.
They wanted. এটা রেখে দিন, সুবিধা হবে আপনার।
Matter, my lord, that tier.
What happened? Where is your other side?
The other side is.
Oh, you are there.
He is my senior man.
All right, Mr. Basu Malik. No longer appearing.
No longer appearing.
Yesterday evening I have been engaged.
All right. What is your submission?
No, your Lordship will kindly they are the state government employees. Reservation
that not.
No. On the date of affirmation, tribunal was available. However, this petition has been entertained by the SLST court. They are not what
just tell me the discrepancy between 333 and 346.
Yeah.
Why there is this difference in the figures? According to you, the figure is 333. And according to the records that are annexed, it is 346. Why this discrepancy? Just tell me this.
পরের যে যেটা একটা 12 জন ঢুকিয়েছি এইটার পরে ওরা অ্যাডিশনাল একটা
only difficulty 5 months class has already been completed. Only difficulty. That is short.
And this is for the West Bengal Health University to say, not for the state. They are the party also.
24, 25. It's not possible. Whether they could be according to the rank in the need. They could be there because their rank is.
Rank ওইখানে দেয়া আছে
2,01,839 and 1,71,940.
Sir, please address with regard to the discrepancy in the figure.
Kindly remember, this is the third time your Lordship is asking for this clarification.
There are 3 cadres are there. Most of the candidates are being available from the state West Bengal medical education. Because depends upon the government ability. If the doctors teaching capacity, more helpful to the government. But we cannot extend more than the 10%.
Nobody is telling you to extend more than 10%. What is the reason for this discrepancy in the figures 333 and 346?
Education service extra manpower was necessary. That's why
education service?
West Bengal medical education service.
Yes.
Teaching staff was more necessary than the West Bengal.
That means you are not sticking to the 10% figure?
Taking to the 10%, but they have been giving priority.
If you stick to the figure, then the calculation will be different. If you say that you require more strength, you have taken in more candidates, then it will be different. Then this will be different. This is absolutely new submission that is being made today.
Clause 9. Can you see the clause 9?
Clause 9 of what?
Of the tier rules.
It has been annexed.
95.
Page
95.
Page 91.
Page 95 plus.
Page 9 of the writ petition.
Of the writ petition. And they are
clause 9.
Discretion of the government.
Yes.
Discretion doesn't mean
contained in the rule, placement or telereserve as government sponsored candidate shall be under the sole discretion of the Department of Health.
Cannot be arbitrary.
When an officer has been selected for a post and has been given a consent certificate from the competent authority.
Here the petitioner has not been selected for the course.
Yes, I have
How?
selected one.
But
All right, selected, but
no objection certificate from the employer, from the state government. He has not obtained a no objection. And but 5 months class is over.
no, that is the practical thing that you are saying.
Yes.
5 months class is over.
There is a 5 months. They can be accommodated in 26, 27 because that has already been exemption has already been held. Process is going on.
Which one?
Next
academic session.
Next
Next
session.
academic, next session.
The petitioner has participated in the test.
No.
My lord, in the next 2025 NET, I have participated. NET, there is no, I have obtained a better rank. Now, without your lordship's leave, I cannot appear for the counseling. This is one aspect. I do not know whether I will even get admission if
Will the petitioner be selected for counseling?
No,
That you cannot say.
My lord, that according to the rank, how many can
That it cannot be ascertained from now.
Entire thing will be decided by the director of medical education, who is controlling the admission in the postgraduate course. You have to direct the director of medical education, consider their case according to the availability 25, 27.
No. Why
It cannot be done in that manner. Others will come up and say, it will be violation of Article 14, 16.
These 24, 25, they cannot be accommodated.
My lord, I have already been accommodated a seat. It's not question of giving me a new seat. It's only about registration. It's only about registration. And my lord, now my lord, may I place the case? Your lordship is going to hear it, or your lordship will come back at after
West
recess?
Bengal Health Service, West Bengal Medical Education Service, West Bengal Medical Education and Admission. 3 types of cadres are there. Priority is given to the medical education.
Where is they getting that priority? The rule says 10%.
Because of the rule line, we are giving the power.
My lord, it is completely contradictory what they have stated in their report. My lord, what they have stated in their report, now in this matter they have filed the report stating everything. Now they cannot go beyond what they have stated on oath in the report.
No, I'm bound
My
by
lord,
the report.
Kindly come to the first report filed by them.
ফার্স্ট রিপোর্ট বলতে কোনটা?
ফার্স্ট যে তোমরা রিপোর্টটা ফাইল
রিপোর্ট দিয়েছি না
ফর দি হাই কোর্ট।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এইটা
Let us reassemble at 2.
Yes, ma'am.
One fixed matter at 2 p.m.
I will start. You will take.
Or 3 o'clock.
Not 3.